The Clarke G1200 generator provides a reliable, ready source of electrical power, ideal for camping, caravanning, boating, markets, or emergency home use. This portable generator has a very compact design with a carry handle, anti-vibration and anti-slip feet. Rated at a constant 1000 watts with 1100 watts available at peak, the 5.5 litre fuel tank with fuel level indicator will keep this generator running for 8 hours at 3/4 load, and the circuit breaker will trip if the generator is overloaded. The G1200 has a standard 230 volt AC 13 amp 3-pin socket, as well as an 8.3 amp 12 volt socket, which can be used for battery charging. The 4-stroke air-cooled petrol engine with easy recoil start is quiet running, with a noise level of only 68 dBA at 7 meters. The G1200 is the ideal 1100 watt generator for all outdoor activities.